Hello guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Rayhon Paz. Did you know there's an easy to make sandwich material salad? It's safe to say a lot of times when there are chicken, ham or cooked chicken leftovers, we'll have this delicious Russian salad. Some may call Russian Oliver salad a recipe for leftovers. So very insulting. Do you know why? Cause it's too yummy. It's my favorite salad, at least this modified version of it. Ingredients: 2 boiled potatoes, 1 bitter orange or a few limes if it's not available, half a cup of peas, chicken ham, 2 boiled eggs, 1 carrot, pickled cucumbers, about 8 if it's Persian cucumber, salt and black pepper, mayonnaise, and French dressing. Peel and grate the potatoes with a coarse grater. Grate the eggs with a fine grater. Grate the pickles with a coarse grater. Grate the carrot with a fine grater. Cut the chicken ham into small pieces. Add peas. Juice the bitter orange. Mix it with mayonnaise, French dressing, and spices. Then add it to the bowl and stir it. You can serve it with tomato slices and herbs to taste the heavens. Enjoy your meal!